Ebusua for mu nyina akwaba. Ye di kan abo mane ye na ye ne MTN for ewo nkomo. Ye nti omba ye de omo ankasa bebo mane. Na no peminu no beka ye ho. Jeremiah Opoku eye manager investors relations MTN and Daniel Oponyina eye senior manager treasury MTN. Jeremiah ne Daniel Makwaba.
Yes.
Apoboko there.
Apomuye.
Okay, so Jeremiah na wo me immediate left no. Timo am wo firim behu. And Daniel wo far left. Okay. Hey, Daniel and Jeremiah, the na Old Testament.
I know correct.
Mo share that na. Madam Fubina owo na also on the back to Habakkuk. Yes, we be creative problem akoda e Jeremiah.
All right.
So, yes, MTN mo call Ghana Stock Exchange. It says mo call him.
Okay.
And Daniel be ya no.
Mami ya no loyalty key. Yeah, that's it. You be chia abusuafo na ye chia MTN shareholders. Na omo mo hwe nyina. Na ye ka say MTN Ghana Stock Exchange. It means say ye list your shares e was stock exchange ho. Na a obia opese oto MTN shares obetumi akohu stock broker na wotumi atobi enti afia etwa mu fie mienu ene ye esa adwumadie no na ema Ghana for be 127,000 and beto shares ewo MTN mu
say number here say
127,000
okay
individuals and institutions.
Okay.
We talk shares with MTN. And it is here can MTN nipa be 127,000 and MTN ayo modia.
Okay. Nti so you can say shares na say no.
Shares no.
So what shares na just MTN no your dey.
Na just wo fan bi wo MTN.
Yes.
I see. To bet me the akoya yesem say MTN your modia.
Yes. Meka omo MTN yo modia no.
Say no credit no to be ana.
Dabi.
Obeto credit.
Obeto credit.
Ah, sir.
Na yeah.
Say your dia dia. Ka your dia nyo na atwi.
Ejuma koso say anafofo ni abusuafo eto etua se de be ya ebetumi ebuhu konta na emfaso bi ebe hono na ye nyina ya che.
Oh, okay. Enti sani pa 127 no mo che mfaso ma omo.
Ye che emfaso.
Mo che bia mo dana.
Indeed. Your listings, your listing, and you tia dividends about 5 times.
5 times?
Yes.
Basa mo say mo list
2018.
2018.
Yes.
2 years.
Yes. Your listing.
So either na 2 years no mo tia dividends 5 times.
Inti your policy and I say practice ne say every year biano you tia interim dividend and final dividend. Interim dividend no you tia no yan fan say within the year. Okay. And a final dividend no say you share after the year like a fedu baby yeah you share yankunta boom na ewie na auditors ne sign ya. Then we recommend and pay a final dividend.
Say be obi abeti say dividends no ye mfaso a monya.
Yes.
And na mo chede ama nipa 127,000. Sa nipa no mo ye hemfo special class of people bi anase obi a
no sa omo a answer na wasabe kan dividend no. E was say ye AGM.
No before the mention say mo mutua dividends no ma omo shareholders. Sa nipa 127,000 na mo so mo ye shareholders bi say e den obi be ye bi. E bia na obi ti wona ye kan ne kondom faso no.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, open say, answer na obinya dividend, I was a shareholder.
Okay.
Na CCM no, so open say we shareholder, also auto shares or MTN. Na maybe I ton shares no, I Ghana Stock Exchange.
Okay.
Enti, I was say ukuhu o stock broker. Omo ye be 20 e wo omayimo. Stock brokers, licensed stock brokers. Na omo oni omo di ho nkuta ho. Na omo aboa ama otumi ato shares.
Ultimate to direct.
To me,
I just said stock broker nkwa na obetimi abo amoato.
No correct.
Nti obia betimi tobi.
No correct.
Kevin betimi atobi.
Obetimi. Kevin obetimi.
Sir.
And one so be who stock broker.
Randy so
Randy so betimi atobi.
On so betimi atobi. I see. Yeah, 20 cents. And also just your cost of broker was.
Ideally, you know, I mean, I do only o stockbroker and AD in Komo Kakra. Now, ultimately, discuss a price at which are obeto share. There are various ways to maneuver the share price. If you want to buy at market, not to say, Okatra and say, yeah, whatever the price is as at today, no, you be on top. And as I say, we certain instructions are.
So diano.
Yes, we have to mean advice. So the various means at which I will bet me at all a bit me above. To know share advice, not the amount. Now you choose which one you prefer. Now we execute the amount.
Daniel, what can be said? Dividend mushia. Moka AGM just a share mu afi enim say COVID nti share mu nkoso menim say afi much because your August mu
afi yenye AGM afi na yebeye
munye AGM okay
afi a etwa mu na yeye AGM na AGM na yeye afi na etwa mu no ekoso yie pa
okay
ye ni ji say sa 100 and shareholders here ye over 6,000 eba meeting ase.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Not like in person?
In person.
Okay.
Omo buy face to face. Any directors ebedi nkita ho. Ebe share yin kran. Our result are ye de two dwa no. Ebo ya baso say yen koso. Na dwumadie na omo de share yen sa shareholders no. Yen gusu ni yen ye. Enti ye ne partners ye hyehyeye ehwe omonim. Ewo ka mo.
Nipa 6,000.
Nipa 6,000.
Nti mu de mo kogu hen.
I feel shame ye no dome
6,000
trade fair.
Yes.
Wow.
And in fact, it was the biggest AGM Ghana has seen so far. It's a NIPA 6,000 encore AGM since stock exchange, started saying yes.
So afibi so nipa be say 27,000 egu 100 no egu 127 no so cash on me ba mo me give matter. I'm just being curious.
The largest venue Ghana has say, in terms of enclosed venue, and you use to here.
Okay.
So as much as possible, you use best effort. What is available, we assess it. As anything I feel moody, you find say a person virtual because of COVID and so. Now, and no be ma who coin ama over 127,000. So be a person joining, will be to me a joining.
The platform.
Yeah.
27,000.
Yes.
That platform.
Yo, say me, didn't share out to her. Say, obi biara opeso joining your virtual AGM. Obe call your website mtnghagm.com. Now, oko honoma obetimi joining your virtual AGM. Now, virtual AGM no, you be on Thursday. 13th of August, 2020.
Yes.
Yes.
Notice is quarter.
Yes, you're serving notice that.
Okay.
Yes. Now, the institution so at to her say, Obi Biara, uni smartphone and answer uni smart device, or they call your online platform. Ubet me a dial 0244 300025.
Okay.
And only your non-smartphone users. No. Yes. No, also no. Ubetimi and they are joining virtual AGM.
I'm curious once again. Maybe Mr. say 127,000. Say omunina ka so mbe join here. Even half mpo. Me person me who say platform be na betimi accommodate that number no.
Well,
because when say Zoom you are limited.
Yes.
And then meaning which other platform be in recent times etimi accommodate ni public.
Well, as technology giants, yeah, the inshare, yeah, partners, the inshare at to Jose. Say, Nipa do na person omo join ya. Akwenya wo Jose, omu na bet me a join. You know, me have a fruitful deliberation with your directors.
Okay.
Yes.
I see. How I wish Senka become home be pananka, be dimbi. Until no be 13th. What date there? My expectation be time so I come home.
Yeah. AGM no ever started 11 a.m. Now so no registration for AGM no started at 8 a.m. San obi biara betimi join around 8 a.m. Not as we start in 2 year. Now we go through process of registering for the virtual AGM. So by 11 no, you are ready for the program to start. Yes.
Okay. So minimum meeting be say no at least I was said the panunya nema bi am be discuss no bi. Minimum mo agenda beko. Most definitely be a report to be no more be a muhu answer. Now say ya nema mu aye di nipa timi nkwohwe hwe minim some aye hu bibia kwan be no be fa so mbe hunu say be a report be or statement ni auditor report ni directors report ni other. How did they get it? And I don't know a number was because of COVID-19.
There be ya share da. Website na Jeremiah edit to journal www.mtnghagm.com no.
Okay.
Ya load financials no, the financials na go scan report ni nya dey go ho. Na notice na for the AGM no so no, ya dey no so ato ho. Nti so obi ko ho see our website no. Obehu sa financials ni nyana na obetumi a download akenkan or question bi a obetumi asene akoma ye registrar at info@csd.com.gh na ye registrar no nsa beka na edu AGM na ya woda dua or the betudwa ama directors no eyi ho an
brofo no mo chiro na say the mu odin bi na say ne wanu ha because be an umbrella no
always know you try say your annual report to be as comprehensive as it's say bro from the be form ama obi biara kan ha obetimi nya ntiase kakra na say we obi bi so na ebia wo kan so na unya ntiase so a obetimi e de ama oyonko bi ebia obetimi a church mu na wetimi enya informed information as say who hear about company no yes.
Afi you better cash, you better dividends. You better fashion. You better
o hwe agenda na area to ho na ye say shareholders mra na omo ye ne omo ndi kita ho na dividend e ka ho. Na emra ne kire say dividend no share directors no recommend ya e was shareholders approve. Enti ya woda e be say ye share AGM na say na shareholders no agitum say yentuomo sa dividend na ye betua sa dividend no e wo bosumi ayewo mu 28 August 2020 na omo nsabeka sa dividend no ehye kakra e wo ho ya set date be a no qualifying date I set no February muton na 30th April enti wo a wudin wo nkrata mu as of 30th April no I find shareholders register no wona won sabeka sa dividend na ye be declare and as shareholders be approve ya wada ebe.
Does it mean say bi mo ho mo din ni register no
yes set date no say na be ya wa wodin wo mu before up to that date no won sabeka
so that go ba say bi obi ade be chiam ya be ye no dimika be to shares now be pay dividend edi so any part of the wudin mem I had to say easy for registration yes time you how register kura ba no to be
enti sa pepe na share ba ko am pese me to jaw dividend no say abanji to kakra e wo ho enti omo anomudin wo nkrata mu a as of 30th April na yebetu omo sa dividend no say share with the sagitu ya wada e be ya you tia omo a yebete to kakra na eto no ye 8%.
Okay.
Na ne yebeka no ya transfer ama omo pese yetu omo gu mobile money so ye de befa so omo pese ye de call bank transfer eno so ye de beko so enti eno ne dividend is a shareholders budget to ya wada e be dia
and then I remember shareholders omo nyintum. I'm just being curious because I bring am from papa omo
anything you can say in the wisdom of the shareholders they approve it but to be na shareholders na beka say oh sika no mo fan share adwuma no mu bio na mo fa enyi adwuma ne mayen na da achi bi mama yen bo ho esi hu a mu sipi
eno beto aba e wo so
ye beto aba e wo so
okay yes pesa me hwes me hu shareholders na adwuna but me nka ho bi nti I see so yam fa say ya kan shareholder bi ebida no bedru bi o difficulty kon be fa so kro betimi a join no kra sa nipa no be ye den because we can technology, especially the AGM, no, virtual. Maybe this is the first time I hear you, sir. Yes. Be okra be akwan on fa so nya ne bi a yakwa computer ho ya ade na nye. Sa na obi ho o standby obetimi afreda na.
Yo. To say obetimi first make I say okoye online website no so which is mtnghagm.com no so ye the instructions atoto website no so such a way say u follow e be ma process na aye easy amount now so u obi bia so na o challenge on accessing the website or the dialed number na me to dwana ubetimi contact your registrar which is the Central Securities Depository by first calling them. You can call them via 0302 689 313 and now say 0302 906 576 and now so say ubetimi send you an email at info@csd.com.gh na imboye bi omwa de be ma no de be mo.
Okay, I'm first asking me na finally na yen sorry. Sometimes ubeti me nim say bia mosmodie shareholders na say since to shares ikura no yen ti ho hwe obi ameka bibia nche yen. Sadi pa no obi de sa concern ba de na mbeka nche no.
Okay, lawyer. Say what shares are enyema we sa wote no. Edimu aworo mienu ana miensa. Ba ko ne say company na wato shares wo no also mubu hu konta a kire.
Yeah.
Na stock exchange mra kire say bosome miensa chibia no we say yebu hu konta a kire. Na since I list here no ya yes ade no religiously. Enti se share wo de bi won na on tin konta na yebu na ya na ye de to daily mu graphic mu your website www.mtn.com.gh/investor relations page hono and I si cancel me nyina egu ho na anye to sumie no obetumi akwa ni stock broker ho ni stock broker licensed stock broker ho no say o me to shares wo MTN no me to na show ha because stock brokers no omo ebe chechiri mu a kire no say ye dividend or say ne nsan kan ya ebia na ne information a ewo no ebia na wa update na onfa enko registrar ho no enko update
ebia na address and
na bisa na wa na bank details because the told bia utumi to dividend na ebia ba back say ebia account no ti also omo stock broker ho omo update your records na stock brokers na de be call registrar ho no na ne ebesi bia no eti but mefa email address be ntudwa
okay
na
your final comments
clientservice@iccsecurities.com.
Okay.
So obia share with the be nim ni broker obekwa ne nchen a on send email enko clientservices@iccecurities.com na IC4 ebe reach out to them.
Obi so person who says stock brokers no more here just in case biasa onim say bia ya mo de mo contacts so tudwa na bibisa bi opis we interest of person who
yo lawyer obi biara person who license 20 licensed stock brokers no ubetimi akọ Ghana Stock Exchange website.
Okay.
Na okọ Ghana Stock Exchange website okọ omo listed or licensed stock broker tab no so o click here you get a full list of all the 20 licensed stock brokers.
Okay.
Ghana ase.
Okay.
Yes.
Enti emfa ne say me ma mi say ya ono no onim computer mu no obekwa hin. And I just say na me yema no.
Yo. O ma me de na say ono let's say ebia or say oni obi a onim de kakra edin komo na nipa no etimi aboa no ewo send you obego about it no.
Okay.
Yes.
Madam Ase Mjidi Samam for Mate and date ne be 13th of August, that is Thursday.
Yes.
Yes, and I hope the next year mo be na fe come so me hu ram bi. Daniel Oponyina is Senior Manager Treasury MTN, Jeremiah Opoku Manager Investors Relations MTN no mo twetwe nkom na busan for se pege mu ne san ba bi mu a sama ye kan efa ya pomuden ho ye obesity and its related COVID-19 risk. Obi a woso ye ka so woso se wan ka wonim wa wonim sa woso no COVID-19 bremu wo so wote bia te sen Frank Anyimadu registered dietitian Sweden Ghana Medical Center na yo no betwetwe san komanti mi ja Daniel ne Jeremiah kwan me ba ye beto asajman so mo twan ye ba sese a